Holdout 1. Let's see how this works. Good enough. Move him back a little bit. Put you guys on hold. It gets real boring here. You sit there and do nothing. For the first level, you don't get any gift packages. So just sit and wait. You can move your Cerberus around if you want, but you don't really need to. They all are attacking him. Usually the gift packages come in here, but they don't come in the first round. So you just sit and wait. If you're bored, you move them a little bit. These guys here, you just put on hold and leave them. The only thing you're going to move is your Cerberus. That's it. Okay, now, we could get a gift package. You don't usually get it right away, but when you do, sometimes you get a gift package. Not right now. Oh, there it is. Right there. There's your gift package. So you go get it. If we can get there. It won't let me get there. Oh, that's ridiculous. All right, send them back. First time that's happened. First time that's happened. Usually you can get it. Yeah, 60,000. You can forget that. All right. They might send us another one. You see how hard it is to do this. You can goof off and do nothing, and it kills itself. It's pretty boring. So to keep yourself from falling asleep, you move your Cerberus around a little bit. You don't need to, but... All right, let's see if we can get another package. Sometimes you do, and sometimes you don't. That one was a pain in the butt. First time that ever happened, I couldn't get it. Are you going to give me another one? Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. You can see all the effort I put into defeating this first level. Pretty easy. Okay, that's it. It's done. Kill these two and your level's over. He's dead. Kill this guy. And Holdout 1 is over. That's it. You see how tough it was. Here are some of the things that you get. Caretakers. You get all kinds of toys. I don't need any of them. It's a waste of time to get them, but... And you get some tokens. This time you get 1, 2 caretakers, 1 annihilator, 1 manticore. On 2, you get 2 of each. On 3, you get 4. So you get 7 total. Okay, that's it.